This is heads. And you want the toss. You want to take batting. Okay. Get ready in 2 minutes and come back for batting. Okay. First ball.
So, congratulations ACC AQCC Jumbo team. They have won this match. So I will just give the highlights. Initially AQCC Dinos batted and they scored around 28 runs. Few highlights were the opposite team took 2 wickets. Then Shashwat and Snehanshu took 1 wicket each.
Oh, nice one.
And score I think or average everybody scored 6 to 7 runs from their side. So 2 wickets was there in first inning. Then coming to AQCC Jumbos, batting if we see Snehanshu, he scored 13 runs. He hit a wide 6, then 4. Then on bowling side, Ishan gave few runs, but he took 1 wicket. So initially 28, so they got 1 wicket, so target was 33, and AQCC Jumbos, they scored around 46 runs.
Oh, good.
So I
the
think
winner
with a good margin.
Okay, that's congratulations to AQCC Jumbos. And before going to the finals, just spice up a little more in the finals. Okay, we will add 2 players from AQCC Lions. 2 hours match, and it's going to be grand finals, 8 hours, 8 players. Okay, let's see. And I want 2 captains for the toss. You should be more proactive. You are a good player, I know. You are a good bowler and good batsman, but you are not keep watching your players again. I'm warning you again for the second time. Be active as a captain. Okay, I want you to be more shining as a captain. And Snehanshu, don't just be over proactive. You're just throwing whatever the balls you are getting and just throwing it unnecessarily. Just throw it to a keeper or a bowler. Not trying to hit it right, direct hit always. Okay. Okay. Let's see who is going to cast for the toss. Okay.
Heads.
Head.
Bowling.
Bowling. Okay. Come fast in 5 minutes. Okay. As a single team, we used to have at least 4 or 5 players only, good players. Okay, all the others are trying to play better, but still they are unable to go to the next level. But the intention of this tournament is, if you divide the group, one group to 3 separate groups, I can able to identify a lot of new talents from each group. Okay, I can say now from each group in the 3, I can pick 3 from each group. So we have almost 9 creamy layer now. Okay, so this is the intention of creating a subgroup within our whole lot, and wanted to pick up new talents from the emerging player. Do you understand? So now I can strongly say that if you go to the Cricket Blast for this year, for May 15, surely we are going to win the trophy, isn't it? Because I can see a lot of new talents and a lot of good talents are coming up. They are grooming up when they are making them in a separate group. Okay, this is how we want to groom ourselves and grow it to the next level. That's hats off for the new talents, and I want them to groom better to the next level. That's a great thing to hear from AQCC. Okay, as a AQCC family, we developed as a 22, 23 players now, isn't it? It's a big lot. So Maneth, what happened? You played 2 leagues and you lost straight away 2 leagues.
Yes, coach.
What is the reason behind it, and what you haven't prepared for it?
Means coach that when we used to call practice, I wasn't available most times.
That is so bad. We already announced tournament a week back. You should be prepared with your teammates and you should have a good coordination with your teammates. You should have a better practice.
Yes, coach.
Yeah.
And then even we had all the practice, but don't know. Means some players are weak in catching.
Then you should give a training of catching.
Yes, coach.
No?
We gave that, but I don't know. Aditya missed 2 catches in the tournament. That's why we lost the first tournament.
That's true. Catches catches wins the matches. Okay.
Yes.
That's a good saying. Always I used to say in every match. But still you can't rely on only one player. No, you can't
And
say that
then-
only catches only lost your game. That's not a logic.
And our batting also.
Okay. So improve your batting in the next time, and we are going to face Cricket Blast in May 15. That's already finalist, and you are already a captain of the A team,
Yes.
and you should be fit as a captain. I don't want you to see like this captainship in the Cricket Blast.
Yes, coach.
It should be more dynamic. Okay. Dinos. And Snehanshu, what are the plus and minus of your game? Not your game, your team's game.
Like we had good batting at the first bat, but at the last it kept decreasing by the order. Like who list? Rishabh.
See,
missed
I
one catch.
strongly recommended one senior should come with one junior so that you will have a better coordination. So I don't see your combination was good, one senior and one junior. For example, last 2 overs by who is the last 2 overs?
Advait and Rishabh.
Are they seniors? Is that combination is one senior and junior? Okay, you didn't follow what I instructed, isn't it? And I said don't throw every ball. Throw it to the keeper or a bowler. Did you follow that one? Okay, fine. Jashwant, what is the plus and minus of your team?
That fielding, because they gave only 1 run, not double.
Okay.
And only some 4 gone.
Yeah, especially I want to mention it. Your fielding was too good today, and they stopped very good shots.
I will just give some highlights of the match. So initially, AQCC Jumbo has batted and they scored 37 runs and they lost 1 wicket. The major scorer was Snehanshu, who scored 11 runs, and Aditya from opposite side, he took 1 wicket. So they got the benefit, AQCC Dino get benefit of 5 runs before they started batting, and the target was 37. After that, when AQCC Dino came to batting, okay, there was a slow start, but there was a 1 wicket in first over. Then they lost another 2 wickets. Major highlights in this was, okay, Ishan scored 10 runs.
Oh, that's
then
nice.
Jaswant,
New talents are budding up. This is what I said.
Yeah.
Chan scored 10 runs is a good thing.
Jaswant scored 23 runs. He was a major hitter. So he got last 2 overs. He got major score in that. Arnav, Shashwat and Shreyans, they got 1 wicket each. So the final target was around 52 runs, and this the opposite team scored 58 runs.
Oh.
So with a margin of 6 runs, they have won. The AQCC Dinos has won the match.
Oh. It's a very good close call actually. 6 runs is nothing. If you would have taken 1 wicket, it would have been a tie, isn't it? That's a nice match. Very good. It's okay. No worries. You played well. Well played. Come. So it's a really excellent tournament as a mock. as I say, because you replicated the real situation of the cricket, and I think you all enjoyed the game, isn't it? Did you all enjoy it?
Yes.
This is what we want. We want the match seriousness as well as your enjoyment. Okay. If you once feel the experience, you can directly go for the cricket blast, and you don't have any hesitation to do anything. Okay. No need to ask any doubts about the rules or anything like that. This is what exactly happens in the cricket blast. Okay. Once you groom till 15 years for under 15. Till 12 years, this is what the rule. Once you become after 12, it will be different. Okay. Till 12, this is what we are going to do. That is an excellent tournament, and I liked all your attitude towards your game. It was excellent. And don't get disordered if you lose with someone. We are just losing within our team. We are all together as a AQCC at the end of the day, isn't it? You just lost to another AQCC. You are not lost to any other team. Okay. You are just lost to one of the other champion of the same team. Okay. So don't get worried about it. And now he will announce who got maximum points as a most valuable player, and he will tell how many points he got, and that award will be given by our Mukesh. Okay, so
Okay, so for most valuable player, we had a few consistent contestants, but Snehanshu, who scored almost 41 runs and he has taken a wicket, we consider him as one of the most valuable player for this series. Thank you.
this award is sponsored by our Rusi restaurant.
Oh, very nice.
Good luck, guys. And the next award goes to the batsman. And almost it's a very tough situation. Everybody batted so well, and I can see, as I said already, a lot of budding players were doing so good, and I'm so happy that I can able to identify a lot of new talents in the young group. Okay, but still, for reaching to that highest one, we need to give only one in that lot. So one will be getting the award. So now scorer will announce who is that.
So again, there were three contestants. Snehanshu scored almost 41 runs in the series. Then Aditya scored 31 runs, but Jashwant, who batted very nice in last match also, he scored 23, so he reached target of 43 runs. So we consider him as the best
batsman of the series. Again, this award is also sponsored by Rusi Restaurant. And this time, there is a tie in the decision. I wish this tie decision goes favor to the youngster, because already these guys are very used to getting a lot of awards. So I recommended a youngster to get this award. Okay, so the best bowler award.
We had a few good bowling from everybody, but we had 2 wickets from Snehanshu and 2 wickets from Ishan. So considering the young talent, we give award to Ishan for best
bowler of the series.
Very good.
And he is also best find of the tournament, man. He bowled very well in the beginning, and unlucky he was unlucky in the first innings, and the next 2 matches he played very well.
Very good. Very good.
Very good. And now it's final climax of the day. It's going to be the winner trophy, and the result has been already announced. You already know who is the winner. I wish captain should come and get the award, and as well as the team players can stand and they can hold this award together. And this award is going to AQCC Dinos.
Dino. Very nice. Campaign नहीं है क्या?